I was born in 1847 to a middle-class family. I had 7 older siblings and quite a large head. I didn't learn how to speak until I was 4 years old, and when I did learn how to speak, I would ask people why they didn't know about a certain subject if they said they didn't know. Then I eventually went on to schooling at a public school, and my teacher said I might have like a scrambled brain and I asked too many questions. So then I got kicked out of school, and my mom said that she would homeschool me. This gave me the strength and the motivation to go on, because I knew that someone believed in me, and this eventually drove me to become what I became. I then went on to getting a job at 14 as a telegrapher, and I still homeschooled part-time. After that, I eventually went on to being a newsboy, but realized this job kind of stinks. So then I went on to telegraphing in full-time at 16. While I was telegraphing, I learned how to work the machines and the workings of it. So, the same year, I created a design for a new and improved telegraph and eventually invented it. I came up with much more designs for new and improved telegraphs. I also came up with the swagging machine later in my life. I came up with designs for the telephone, which was eventually created by my fellow American Alexander Graham Bell. And then I eventually went on to create the electric light bulb, which I have here. This is the most modern version of our light bulb. And after that, I went on to create a few more patents in my old age, and eventually died in 1931. I created the electric light bulb in 1879. Many people kept telling me that when I created the light bulb, they kept telling me that I have changed America's future to become a more technological and brighter place. And this is why I, Thomas Edison, am an American hero.